Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to disable your online activity or online status on Telegram desktop. So open your Telegram desktop application, then click here left top corner on your screen, it's three line, and again click the settings option and click the privacy and security, and you can see like last seen and online under the privacy settings. So click the everybody. So once you click the nobody, it means that your online activity last seen will be disabled. So simply click on the save. So here you can see it's now nobody. So this way you can disable your online activity. So friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.